Breathing life into your speech. Taming stage fright. Hello learners. Welcome back to our series on mastering the art of public speaking. Today we're going to discuss an important part of delivery techniques and strategies: managing stage fright and anxiety. Specifically, we will delve into one effective method called progressive muscle relaxation. First things first, let's understand what progressive muscle relaxation, PMR, is. It's a technique that helps you relax your muscles through a two-step process. You systematically tense particular muscle groups in your body, such as your neck and shoulders. Next, you release the tension and notice how your muscles feel when you relax them. This process helps you to become more aware of physical sensations and aids in relaxation. You might be thinking, that's great, but how does this relate to public speaking? Stress and anxiety, common precursors to stage fright, often result in muscle tension. By learning how to utilize PMR, you can help your body relax, thereby reducing feelings of anxiety and helping you deliver a more comfortable and confident speech. Now, let's get into how you can practice PMR. 1. Choose a comfortable spot. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a chair or lay down on a bed or yoga mat. 2. Start with a breath. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a few seconds, and exhale slowly. Repeat this a few times. 3. Focus on a group of muscles. Begin by focusing on a specific group of muscles, such as your hands or feet. 4. Tense and relax. Tense the muscles as tightly as you can and hold for about 5 seconds. Then, slowly release the tension over a span of 15 seconds. Notice the difference in how your muscles feel between the tense and relaxed states. 5. Progress to other muscles. Move on to another group of muscles and repeat the process. Remember, the goal is not just about tensing and relaxing muscles, but becoming more aware of your physical state and learning to control it. Once you're comfortable with PMR, you can start incorporating it into your pre-speech routine. Before you get on stage or start your presentation, take a few moments to go through the PMR process. This can help calm your nerves, loosen up your muscles, and prepare you to give the best presentation possible. That's all for today's lesson on managing stage fright and anxiety using progressive muscle relaxation. Remember, public speaking is a skill that takes practice to master, but with the help of techniques like PMR, you'll be well on your way to delivering confident and impactful presentations. Keep practicing, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.